To use the Suntran app, you will first have to enroll. You will need your client ID. If you do not know your client ID, call the reservations to get that information. Next, follow along and put in your date of birth, as well as an email that you would like your app to be linked to. Once you have successfully enrolled, you will have a message pop up letting you know to check your email to further activate your account. We will click here to open a new window and put in our new password. Once the password has been created, we can go back to the app and log in using our client ID and that password. You're in!